Hare Krishna, welcome to my channel Beginners Linux MS Excel Guide. We'll cover today find and search functions, which is again from text series. As you can see, search is non-case sensitive and find is case sensitive. So first of all, what are these two? So first is in Excel, search function finds the starting position of a text string within another text string, returning the position number of the first character of the found text, and it's not case sensitive. Now in case of find function, the find function in Excel is used to return position of a specific character or substring within a text string. The first two arguments are required, last one is optional. Find text, the character or substring you want to find it is case sensitive. Now what are the difference between these two? So the find and search functions are very similar. They both work in the same way. Locate a character or a text string in another text string. The difference between these two functions is that find is case sensitive and search is non-case sensitive. So if you don't want to match case in a text string, use search. So that's the main difference. So let's start with the practical now. So I have a word called abnormally. What I'll do here, I'll search, hit tab, then which word I want to search, I'll search A, and within text this one, and I'm closing the bracket. See, A is here as well as here. I have written here small a, even though it has found for position 1. It shouldn't be, right? So that is the case for search. Let's find the same thing with find function. Find, then again small a, comma, within text this one. See the difference? This is received with 1, which is this position, and this is received with 7, which is this position, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th position. Why? It is case sensitive. So I searched for small a, so it has given me 7 position. So now if I change it to capital A, should be 1, right? So this is 1 because first position is A. Now come here, we'll do another thing with search, then tab, we'll find A, small a, from this text, and from position start number should be from 6th, say 6th. So I have got 8, position number 8, we have A here, right? This one. I'm making a color of this so that you can identify. So this is my A. So 8th position I have received. Now I do the same thing with find. Small a, and from this text, starting from again 6th position, should be the same result. So you can see I have received position 8 here as well as here. Difference is they just mention from which text I have to find and from which place I have to find. So same here also, I have to mention here from which letter onwards I need to find it. So this case both the same answer I have received, but in this case this is different. So that's all for search and find function. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel, like it, share it, comment it, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I post a new video over here, you'll get the notification of it immediately. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video with patience. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stick to my channel, new videos are coming into your way. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Hari Bol.